Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Tronsmart Halo 100 portable speaker. This is a very interesting product because this is meant to be also an outdoor speaker because it's water resistant, so it can rain on it. Actually, it has a very long play time. It has a handle because this is kind of big and you can carry it around, and it has a metallic mesh here to protect it. But we are going to see all of those when I'm going to take this out of the box. I'm also going to mention that this review is recorded in full stereo because we are going to test something else with this speaker. So you can see here I'm recording on this side of a camera. I have right microphone, left microphone, so the sound quality should be as best as possible because after all this is a speaker and we want to get the best quality in this review, the best quality for sound, so you can actually assess the quality of the speaker. So let's take it out of the box. Of course you get some information on it, some details, and some QR codes. Those are also very interesting because this speaker also has a smartphone app, and we are going to look into that. So inside it comes packed up really nice with a lot of foam padding, very thick, so it's protected from transport from far away. And it also has a scratch proof bag, right? And there's something else also in the box here. There's this, which has probably the manual and the charging cable. So let's take them out. We get two cables. One is a stereo cable with DC jacks because this also has an aux input. Also it has the charging cable, which is USB Type-C. We get a Tronsmart warranty card. We get a detail about the sound pulse option. This has special technology. You can pause this if you want to read all about that. Very interesting what this speaker does, but it does more than that. And we get, of course, the manual, which has a lot of instructions. It has all kinds of graphics and lots of things, and also more details on the back. But we can quickly start this with the manual. So let's move with unpacking it from the bag here. All right, and from the start we can see here that all the buttons are covered by rubber, so they are waterproof protected. The build quality is very nice. This is very sturdy, very thick plastic, very thick. This is kind of heavy. I'm going also to weight it down a bit later. Full metal mesh, as I was saying, and on the back here we get a very thick rubber cap that you can actually open up, and it has several layers of insulation, as you can see here, so this gets to be waterproof. And we get several connectors there. And on the rear input here we get USB, you get a USB Type-C, also aux input, and the card reader, because this also can play back from all those sources, including USB with a USB stick drive or SD card, micro SD card. Okay, so let's test it up to see the future and how it sounds. So I'm going to power it on. It's very simple. You just keep this button pressed a few seconds and it's now on. It makes a noise that it has started. It lights up. You can fully configure the lights. You are going to see that, and it's going to connect to the Bluetooth. This already has connected. And now I'm going to go on to the Tronsmart app. I'm going to select speakers. It's the Halo 100. You need to have Bluetooth, of course, enabled, and GPS to make it easy, because that's an Android option to find Bluetooth. We are not going to get into that. So right away we have here control for the volume directly for the speaker. We get options to play and skip music. Then we have this one here, and we get some predefined equalizers, including the sound pulse mode that you can enable and disable from here. As simple as that. And you can see it changes in the app also. it shows that I'm on default or with the sound pulse, but with the app I get more options here. And of course, if I don't like any of those modes, I can go to customize and I get here a full equalizer where I can finally adjust the range that I want for the low frequency, high frequency, and so on. And that's my customization. Also, you have more options here. You have the playback options. You can go playing from Bluetooth, from the aux input, from the card, USB. Also, you have the option to stereo pair, because this speaker, it's not only great, but it's great when it works in pair with another one, because we want stereo sound and we want them to sound really nice. So I'm going to power on the second speaker. It's powered on, and then we are going to press the stereo binding options here and here. After the speaker pair with themselves and you then pair again with the phone, they are also going to be fully synced in all of the settings, which means equalizer, light effects, so everything is exactly the same, is fully synced, so you don't have to adjust each one of them, because in stereo you need to have both speakers sounding exactly the same, so you have clear right channel and left channel. Right, so in the app now, if we go to settings here, if I choose the equalizer, it's going to be the same for both speakers, and you get more settings here. For instance, the LEDs, if I choose a profile that I want for the speakers, when I change the profile, it's going to be exactly the same for both speakers, as you see here, so they are fully in sync. Also, it's the same with the volume. And also in the app you get some other advanced options, for instance this one here, such as firmware update, which I have already did, and you can see here in this picture it's very simple. It adds some extra settings, functions, or fixes something. The speakers are rather new, but we get a firmware update, which is a very good thing, because it means that they have very good support from their producer. Right, and now let's put them on working mode. I have YouTube in background. Hopefully this will not lead to a copyright strike, because it's a copyright free track.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
Alright, and you get the idea. You have seen some light unsync, because actually the sound is different on this track with the right channel and left channel, so the speakers are actually glowing up to the waveform of the track, which means they are actually running in stereo. I haven't found a stereo test that's not an audio track to fully show you that, because it can lead again to a copyright strike. But these speakers actually really work in real stereo, so right channel and left channel are there. And now a few words about the sound quality, because even though my microphones are good and are picking up sound, they are not going to fully cover all the frequency and how they really sound. So they have very good low frequency, they actually make things vibrate, but they don't have that annoying rumble that you get on portable speakers. You may know that there are some kind of speakers that have very powerful volume, but when it comes to low frequency, they are just kind of a annoying rumble, but not that kick that you get on low frequencies. Well, these have a lot of kick, and when you activate this sound pulse mode, it really makes a huge difference, because it makes that kick a lot more powerful, and you can actually feel it in your stomach. It's kind of a wave that hits you with every kick. So the sound of the low frequency is very good. Mids and highs are also very good. They really have full range. You don't get the annoying too high or too emphasized mids again, because this case is very thick plastic. It doesn't produce that annoying plastic sound. This is very solid and kind of it's not like having a real wood speaker, but this gets very close to that because of the thickness and resistance of the material. It doesn't have the vibration or kind of an echo that you get on other kind of speakers, especially on mids, when their case starts to vibrate and it simply destroys the sound quality. So neither of that it's happening here, so they actually sound really good. Also, a lot of you may ask if the LEDs can be turned off, because some of you don't like that thing. Yes, we have a button here, and now they are simple speakers, so you can use them also at night time. You can, because they are Bluetooth, and when they are paired together you are only seeing them as one device. You can actually pair this with your smart TV, with your phone, or with any kind of device that's able to transmit Bluetooth and stereo sounds. So you can bind them with anything and you are going to have very high quality stereo sound, and at night time no LEDs. Other things that also help with the sound quality is the weight of the speaker, because I told you that it's pretty heavy. So here's the scale, and it has 2.7 kilograms and 32 grams. So plenty for this type of speaker, and it also has very big rubber feet. So this is not only steady, but it absorbs the vibration, and with the added weight it makes it able to produce powerful sound without wobbling, vibrating and breaking sound quality. Another nice feature about the speakers is that when you have the LEDs turned on, when you adjust the volume, this also acts as a volume meter. You can see the circle here represents the total volume. So now the speaker is at half volume. You can see that because they are synced in stereo. The volume is adjusted on both of them. What you have heard before, it was only a test with limited power, limited volume from the phone. You can adjust independently the volume on your phone and also on the speakers. With those at maximum, you get very powerful sound, and they do not produce too many distortions. So as a final conclusion, because I see a lot of reviews of speakers and headphones on YouTube, and everyone is saying, oh, this sounds great or this sounds bad. Actually, this is the hardest thing to review on YouTube, because you cannot hear them regardless of how good microphones you are using and how good the speakers are, because you are getting sound from a speaker. The sound travels in my room in a way, it hits the microphones. The microphones might not be the best in the world. Then you get them recording on a camera that has encoding, that loses quality. Then you are going to edit this video and gets recoded, and audio also gets recoded. Then you upload that onto YouTube, where it's again processed by YouTube, audio and video. Then you also lose some quality and the sound is distorted there further. Then you are going to watch that on your device, which again has some kind of speakers or headphones, and again you are using sound processing of your device to your speakers or your headphones. So the sound cannot be transmitted and assessed through all of that technical chain, and it's just the word of the reviewer. So if I say that they sound great, well, they sound great, but also I can say that they sound bad and maybe they sound good, or I can say that they sound great and they sound bad. So with that conclusion, I'm going to say that these truly sound great. So the sound quality is it's incredibly good for their size and price actually, because they are not so expensive for the quality and the features that they provide, because I haven't seen a lot of Bluetooth speakers that come with an app that you can adjust equalizer, effects and other things and update the firmware. They are really one step further than most other speakers that are on the market, that you just turn them on, connect the Bluetooth and play whatever you want with them. So you get a lot of things, you can adjust them, you can play from a lot of sources, and again, they really sound very good, shockingly good, and for their price they are best buy. So also I'm going to include a link from where you can get them. Very fast shipping, very good support, and you can get them from there, and they also have some sales with them, so you might grab them at even a better price than usual. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed listening to this review, and until my next one, see you and bye bye.